Customer indicated that they're having issues with producing parts that meet specifications. A significant amount of parts are falling out of specification. When an end product is assembled, pieces are not fitting together correctly. Solution to the problem is to improve the granularity of the measurements or the motors that control the machinery to enhance the accuracy of the amount of material fed into the machine so that uniformity of the parts are maintained. So we suggested providing an encoder on the shaft so that we can count precisely how much the motor turns and how much product is fed into the machine. Because you have to do the math. You take so many pulses per revolution, and if it's a 6-inch encoder, then you divide, if it's 1,000 pulses per revolution, you divide 1,000 divided by 6 inches, and that gives you the actual length per pulse generated. That's 360 degrees.